As Frigo Group, we are operating in the field of industrial refrigeration with over 35 years of experience. We have the capacity to manufacture 10,000 refrigeration units and 1 million meter square heat exchangers per year in our factories at Istanbul and Tekirdağ, which have 12,000 meter square space. Through the firms within our structure, we are able to introduce unique solutions in all areas which industrial refrigeration requires, starting with the food industry, medicine, chemistry, logistics, defense, entertainment, and sports. We are making a difference with our more than 50 engineers, over 250 employees, our experienced R&D team, and our cutting-edge environmentally friendly products. While exporting to nearly 100 countries around the world, we are providing fast and continuous maintenance and repair service by our experienced after-sales team. As Frigo Group, we know the value of more than 5,000 projects which we have bought in. We are continuing to grow with our customized refrigeration solutions for each one of our individual clients on this path we have set off. Frigo Group, power of refrigeration.